Hi guys, welcome back to DIY Vibe, or if you are new, welcome to DIY Vibe. Today's project is going to be customizing a water bottle. This is one I use like on a daily basis that I've already done, but I'm going to show you how to do a brand new one, nothing on it. We're actually going to customize it with some holographic vinyl using my Silhouette Cameo. So keep watching and let's do it.
I actually made this design in Canva and just downloaded it. And if you're downloading from Canva, make sure you check that box that says download with transparent background, just so you don't have any white or whatever color background that downloads with it. I just moved it into place on my cutting mat where I actually wanted to cut on. And I measured my water bottle ahead of time so I could tell in my software exactly how big I wanted the design.
All right, here we have my buddy, the Silhouette Cameo 4. So what I did, I have the 12 by 12 inch cutting mat, and I just measured up my holographic vinyl up into the corner where it'll be cutting where I place my design. And now we just feed it in, make sure it's lined up.
I meant to tell you guys that I used my blade for the machine on a number 3. Anything sharper cuts all the way through your vinyl, as well as like your, I guess, paper backing on it, which you don't want. You want it to cut through your vinyl, but not through your paper backing. Always test your design on that little corner wherever it says test on your software before you commit to the whole design, so you don't waste vinyl.
All right, what I'm gonna do is basically cut the decal out. Be careful not to cut your design. And then I like this part. Get a corner of it and then I just peel it to reveal my design. And there we go. And so next what I'm gonna do is actually weed out those little letters like in the D and the B and the E. So I use my weeding tool for this part to go ahead and get it out. Just makes it a little bit easier. Get out these middle pieces. For this next step, you're going to need transfer paper. This is just some Cricut transfer paper I got, or not transfer paper, transfer tape that I got from Michael's. So I'm just going to take my design that is fully weeded out now, and I'm going to kind of just measure it up right here. I'm trying to make sure you guys can see. Measure it up right here on it, and I'm just gonna cut around that paper to make sure I have enough transfer tape to cover my whole design. Okay, so next with your transfer tape, you wanna just peel the corner, and the clear part is what you want. So you'll take that clear piece. I have my design here, and I am just going to lay it directly over my design. Like that. I press down a little bit, and then I use my little kind of squeegee tool. Is that what this is called? I use this tool. I think it's, nope, I'm not even gonna try and figure out what the name of it is. But I smooth that over just to get out any bubbles and make sure that that tape is really sticking to the actual design. Then I take some alcohol and I clean off the surface of whatever I'm applying vinyl to, just to get off, I guess, anything that might be on it and prevent it from sticking. Yeah, because I want a clean application. So I just clean that off and I give it a little time to dry. Okay, and now is the fun part. We have our water bottle and we have our design with our transfer tape over it. So then what we will do is we'll actually pull the transfer tape off, which now has the design sticking to it. So I just pull that all the way off, and then I'm just gonna lay this down to make it a little bit easier, but I also want you guys to be able to see it as well. Lovely, bottle doing what bottles do, roll. I'm just gonna measure it up right here then. There we go. So then I just take it, and I like to put it in the middle, so I bend it a little bit and then go from there. So I can also tell from where the middle is. Oh, uh-oh. Yeah, just eyeing it to figure out where exactly I wanna put it. Bingo. So I put it on there and then I just smooth it out. And then I also take my squeegee tool. Again, I keep calling this a squeegee. I hope it's a squeegee tool, or if I'm calling it wrong this whole tutorial. But then I just really smooth that over to make sure there are no there are no air bubbles. I'm sleepy, guys. It's like midnight when I'm making this video. No air bubbles in here. I just peel it off. Thanks for watching, guys. This tutorial on how to customize your water bottle. We just added some holographic vinyl that says DIY vibe on a cute little water bottle using our Silhouette Cameo 4 and of course vinyl and a water bottle, whether you have it laying around the house or you just bought it off of Amazon. But yes, so like, comment, subscribe, and see you guys next time.